In 2024, social media is a more powerful tool than ever before for building your client base in the credit repair industry. Share content that not only informs, but also inspires and shows who you are. Because your content isn't just about dishing out advice. No, it's about building a brand that people feel connected to. Show up authentically. Keep it real. Share your real life stories, the ups and downs, your journey in the credit repair world. When you open up, you're not just a credit expert, you become a trusted friend in their financial journey. Every post, every interaction, and every piece of content that you share brings you one step closer to growing your company and helping more people reach their financial goals.